Welcome to Testing AI. In this channel, I break down different AI tools and keep you up to date with the AI world. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe. Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to go over all the basic features of Bluewillow AI, which is very similar to Midjourney, but since it's in beta right now, currently it's all free. Before we get started, make sure you have your Discord account set up. This is very similar to say WhatsApp or Slack or Telegram. And the best part is you can access the whole thing in the browser. Just like all my other videos, I'm going to have my timestamps mentioned in the description below. Alright, to get started, go to this website called Bluewillow.ai and click this button, join the free beta. This will open an invite window for Discord. Make sure you're already logged in on Discord on your browser. Click the button accept invite and you're going to see this screen, which is the Discord server for Bluewillow. So when you get on any of these AI art Discord servers, the first recommendation, as you see in this video, is to join a rookie channel or a beginner channel and start typing your prompts. I actually don't recommend doing that for your own prompts, and I'll tell you why. And I'll also tell you a better system where you can try out your own prompts without so much distraction. First, let's go to some of the beginner channels to see how distracting it is. So click on branch 1. You're going to see there's 118 new messages, and if you click mark as read and you go all the way in the bottom, it's like tons of people trying their own stuff. If you just stay here at the bottom, you're going to see it feels like an Instagram feed or something like a TikTok, and you're scrolling, but you don't even have to scroll because there's so many people typing their prompts. It just keeps moving really fast. So it's very hard for you to type something here and get to your own creations, which come up maybe a minute later. There's actually a better way to try out your own prompts. So instead, go all the way in the top and go to rookie test. Now click on this Bluewillow bot, which might have generated images for some other people, and message hello. This is going to open up a direct message for you. And now you have a distraction-free space for you to try out your own creations, because the main server is way too distracting for me to explain anything. So here you can start with the basic prompt, imagine, and say a beautiful Indian woman. It usually takes around a minute or so for the creation to come up. Great, so it took around 2 minutes for 4 images to show up. Now there's 3 options that I want to go over. So there's 3 main functionalities in Bluewillow that you need to get used to. U is for upscaling, V is for variations, and this button is for refresh or regeneration. For this image, let me try U1. Now let me try U4. As you see, you can keep upscaling this image as much as you like. Let me try variations now. I'm going to try V4. So with V4, I got 4 different variations of this image. This picture has a different kind of necklace. This one has a larger smile. This one has more green in the necklace. And the third option is regenerate. So it's going to regenerate 4 completely different variations of my original prompt. So this time it took from 11:24 to 11:27, around 3 minutes. And this time it generated a whole different style of beautiful woman. This one actually has 2 of them in one picture. And as you see, if you create the images in your own direct message, there's no distraction from other people's prompts. Of course, you can go back and get inspired and try out other people's prompts. You see how my prompt got lost instantly among hundreds of messages of other people? The only way to get to your own generation directly is to click on this button, which is inboxed, and see the mentions, where Bluewillow mentions your generation, and you can click on that picture directly here. However, I still avoid using these common channels if you can, because I personally get distracted all the time, and there's so many people trying out so many cool things. I feel like I'm back on Instagram scrolling through other people's messages while not creating anything myself. So I stick to going to my own direct message and trying out my own prompts, so I can focus more on being a creator than just another consumer. I hope you got some value from that video. I'm going to have other videos coming up about better prompting in Bluewillow and other AI art tools. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit like and click subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming up, and till the next video, thank you so much.